My way na ako sa aking pag-witnessing, sharing the salvation and gospel of the Lord. And so far, nandito ako sa school. Ito, naglalakad-lakad. Wait lang. Ayan guys, so maraming estudyante na maliligtas dito. And meron na akong mga nashiran so far sa jeepneys, sa school. Ayan, marami na akong nashiran. And ngayon, I hope share pa tayo. That's all. Outfit of the day sa pag-share ng ano. Ayan guys, outfit of the day. Mali tanghaling. It's already noon here, and yeah, sharing the gospel is life. Yes. And I am here at school, and I want every student here. No, not maybe not. If I can, lead them to God. Share the word of God. And right now, I'm still finding a lucky soul that who will, save the Lord today. So pray for me, guys. Let me just, I'll show you here where I am. So guys, this is Circle. It's called Circle here. It's a really pretty place. Yes, it's a pretty place. Guys, rest muna sa pag-share ng gospel. Ano to? Black coffee. Para mas kumakas for share ng gospel. Yun na guys.